Artificial sweeteners, good or bad? Artificial sweeteners are often the topic of heated debate. On one hand, they're claimed to increase your risk of cancer and harm your blood sugar and gut health. On the other hand, most health authorities consider them safe, and many people use them to reduce their sugar intake and lose weight. How do artificial sweeteners work? Artificial sweeteners taste sweet because they are recognized by the sweetness receptors on your tongue. They provide virtually 0 calories, as your body can't break them down. Common artificial sweeteners. Many types of artificial sweeteners exist, but not all are approved for use in every country. The most common ones include aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, neodyme, and acesulfame potassium. Artificial sweeteners, appetite, and weight. Recent studies have found that replacing sugary foods or drinks with artificially sweetened ones may reduce hunger and calorie intake. Effects on weight. Replacing sugar-containing foods and beverages with artificially sweetened ones may help you lose some weight. Artificial sweeteners and diabetes. Artificial sweeteners can help those with diabetes reduce their intake of added sugar. However, more research is needed on the effects of artificial sweeteners in various populations. Artificial sweeteners and metabolic syndrome. Artificial sweeteners are unlikely to increase your risk of metabolic syndrome. Replacing sugary drinks with artificially sweetened ones might decrease your risk of several medical conditions. Artificial sweeteners and gut health. Artificial sweeteners may disrupt the balance of gut bacteria in some people, which could increase the risk of disease. However, more studies are needed to confirm this effect. Artificial sweeteners and cancer. Based on the current evidence, artificial sweeteners are unlikely to increase the risk of cancer in humans. Artificial sweeteners and dental health. Artificial sweeteners, when consumed instead of sugar, decrease the likelihood of tooth decay. Aspartame, headaches, depression, and seizures. Artificial sweeteners are unlikely to cause headaches, depression, or seizures. However, some individuals could be more sensitive to these effects than others. Safety and side effects. Artificial sweeteners are generally considered safe but should be avoided by people who have phenylketonuria or are allergic to sulfonamides.